Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule posts on LinkedIn using Buffer. So first and foremost, all you have to do is go or create an account on Buffer. It's easy to create one. All you have to do is to prepare a valid email address, or you must have your Google account. This is what it looks like. Here you will see all your scheduled posts. So to start, you have to go to Buffer. Okay, search for Buffer and then tap this one here, Buffer Social Media Management for Everyone. So you have to click this one right here and it will take you directly to Buffer interface. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like, and what you're going to do here is to just have create your account here in Buffer. So you can get started for free. You can log in if you have an account already. As you can see, it needs email address and then password. If you don't have an account yet, then tap on the sign up. If you do have already, click login. So as you can see, I have created an account, or let's just say log into my account. So this is what it looks like. I have an account already on Buffer. And below you can see here connect channels. So as you can see, here are the channels that I want to connect. So if you want to connect a new channel, just click that one. There are tons of channels that you can connect: Instagram, Facebook, Threads, Blue Sky, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So since our tutorial is all about LinkedIn, you have to click or tap on LinkedIn. You have to enter your email address or connect the Google account of your LinkedIn right here. If you don't have an account yet, then tap on join now. Okay, so either ways, if you forget your password, then you can tap on forget password and so on. So once you have added your LinkedIn account in Buffer, you should see that right away on this side, connected or connect channels. You should see it right here. And let's just say I have already connected my LinkedIn account. Suppose that I have connected my LinkedIn account right here. Then it's time for you to schedule a post if you want. So let's just say, okay, that I have connected my LinkedIn. I can tap on the new post. So suppose that this is a LinkedIn account. Okay, so in this side, you should see the following, like what a caption you want to add here. So let's just say for LinkedIn, I wanted to post a job post. Okay. So on the side, okay, since it's YouTube, let's just say that this one is LinkedIn. So basically, you should see that LinkedIn account right here, LinkedIn page right here. And then you can add the post that you want to add. So I'm going to post this one to my LinkedIn page. So, for example, this one right here, location, employment. This one is a job post. People will see what they will do and then the information of the job. So, basically, this is what the people can see once you post this on your LinkedIn. And then how to apply. You can also add a file or photo right here. Okay. So, once added, you can scroll down, you can change the title of the job. The category, you can change that one. The visibility, you can also change that one. Okay, so for the license, it's not applicable on LinkedIn. It's for YouTube and other platforms, maybe TikTok too. But basically, this is what it looks like. Okay, and once you have added or done with the caption and all the information right here, you can tap on the next available. So you can click this one right here and you can start with set date and time. So basically, here, if you want to schedule a post on your LinkedIn, you should see this calendar right here. At the same time, also, you can see the date, the time of which you prefer. So, for example, I want to post this LinkedIn post on 11th of July. And then I'm going to change the time. So there are options right here, or you can select the time below for a specific time if you want. So you can click this one right here, and then if you also want to select a more posting actions, you can tap on more posting actions and done. So basically that's it, and then you just have to wait like the time you have scheduled it. For example, Saturday, this post will be added to your LinkedIn account on that specific date. So basically, that's it. That's the easiest way to manage your LinkedIn account and LinkedIn post. So you can schedule if Buffer suggests optimal posting times, consider using those recommendations as starting point, then adjust based on your audience and posting goals. You can also manage your content calendar. So you can edit scheduled posts, change publishing dates, rearranging your posting schedule, and delete posts. That's a good thing about this buffer. So if you want to add more channels, just add more channels. So after that, you can review published posts and performance like the impressions, engagement, clicks, reactions, and comments. So here you can build a consistent posting strategy. It's considered mixing different types of LinkedIn posts such as industry, insights, educational, personal, company, case, questions, and so on. So, schedule posts in batches to save time, review each post before it goes live, maintain a consistent posting schedule, respond to comments after your posts are published, and monitor analytics regularly to refine your strategy. And basically, that's it. So, that's how you schedule LinkedIn posts using Buffer. So by planning your content ahead of time, you can stay consistent, save valuable time, and focus more on engaging with your audience instead of worrying about posting every day. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.